Hello traders. Today is the 4th of November, Wednesday 2020, and I would like to share with you today's best forex trade analysis and the result. Just before that, as you know that we had high volatile market yesterday and today due to the US presidential election. So one of my member made an amazing profit just using these live analysis. So I requested him to show his accounts, how much money he made it. As you can see, he made it today $11,743. As you can see, this is a live account. This is not a demo account. So he basically made amazing, and I'll show you how he made it. He mainly focused on cable because the cable was highly volatile, pound dollar, pound yen, and pound Swiss franc. And I'll show you a lot of analysis today, how he made it, how he banked out those interesting pips. Okay, so let's back to the analysis. As you know, the guys, these are the intraday analyses alongside with the 4 hour analysis with a live audio commentary. So as soon as the price progress and develop a new opportunity, we broadcast that information instantly through live audio commentary. That helps most of the traders to identify the good opportunities. As you can see, pound yen, we had a breakout, and we explained to traders as soon as the price going to be hitting this orange EMA and develop a pullback, then we should be taking a short trade. And as you can see, the price nicely developed pullback, and we announced through live audio commentary as well, and beautiful short trade, pullback short trade on pound yen. I'm going to be doing quite quickly because we have a lot of analysis. As you can see, the pound dollar, as you can see, the beautiful breakout. After the breakout, we had another beautiful pullback short trade. And euro yen, pretty straightforward as mentioned on the analysis, that we're looking a pullback short, otherwise we're looking a breakout, because we were watching in 4 hour and we explained to traders this is going to be a false breakout. We should be taking that one as a breakout long trade. And let me show you how exactly we do it in 4 hour. As you can see, in 4 hour we did this analysis, and as soon as the price respected this level, you can see here many times. And then we look at here, as the price develop another false breakout, then we mentioned it's time to bank some profit. So that's what exactly we look at in 4 hour. And we do intraday analysis. As you can see, beautiful breakout long trade. Okay, and Euro USD, this one again based on the again we're watching in 4 hour, we had a major support area, and we explained to our traders that we're looking at breakout. As you can see, the price nicely broken and beautiful, and afterwards we have another beautiful breakout, nicely hit first target and the final target. Beautiful breakout long trade on Euro USD. Pound dollar, pretty straightforward breakout, and this one another one pullback show long trade. Pound yen, pretty straightforward triangle pattern breakout long trade. Pound dollar, pretty straightforward. You can see beautiful breakout long trade. Again, let me show you how we watch in the 4 hour. You can see in 4 hour we made a beautiful pips every time on the price. Basically, if you look at in 4 hour, this is the consult, no directions, but every time from here to here, any pullbacks perform in intraday, we take the maximum trades. And that's what one of my traders bank a huge pips every time when the price goes up. He's taking, like you can see, the price nicely respected support level, and as soon as the price is reversed, we're taking a pullback. As soon as the price is reversed here as big psychological number, we're taking a short trade. And that's what exactly we look at in shorter time frame. As you can see here, this was a triangle. As soon as the pattern develop, we have a beautiful breakout. And as you can see, the final target would be the next fib channel. Beautiful long trade on pound dollar. Dollar CAD, pretty straightforward. As you can see, again, we were watching this one in 4 hour. As soon as we see the price rejected in 4 hour, let me show you in 4 hour, so at least you will understand how we do it. As you can see, the price was at this level. As soon as we see the price reverse, as you can see, price nicely respected and respect this resistance reverse. We can see some sort of rejection. We'll look at in 4 hour in intraday. As you can see, this pattern develop because all these fib channels is represent sort of like some sort of resistance and support, and the price developed this pattern, and we explain to our trader, look for this breakout. And as you can see, the price nicely broken. Once the price broken and momentum developed bearish, then we announce all the pullbacks. We will consider high probability trade, and you can see beautiful one breakout, another one pullback, short trade. Pound Swiss franc, pretty straightforward. This was again beautiful. Again, we were watching in 4 hour and we explained to trader, look for this breakout. We had a beautiful breakout. As you can see, the price nicely hit to the profit target. Let me show you in the 4 hour what exactly I was looking that time. As you can see, the price nicely respected the support level and we were looking a long trade. And the best way to do it in intraday, as you can see here, intraday, the price develop another sort of like a sideways market. As explained to my trader, look for if the price gonna break the recent high, then we should be jumping. And that's why this intraday system help us to identify the opportunities. Beautiful breakout long trade and price nicely hit to the profit target. Beautiful long trade on pound Swiss franc, guys. Pound yen, pretty straightforward. Breakout long trade. Aussie dollar, pretty straightforward. You can see another because we're watching in 4 hour based on that breakout and the pullback long trade. Pound yen, pretty straightforward. You can see this was again breakout short trade. As I said to you, that again we were watching in 4 hour. You can see here, let me zoom it when the price respected here and then we announce, okay guys, we can see some sort of rejection in 4 hour. So then we jump into the intraday system, which we look at this one, the price develop another pattern. We say look for this one because at the bottom you can see the momentum was developed bearish. As soon as the price broke on this, you know, wedge, we took a short trade, banked some profit. You can see first, second, and we said when the highly volatile market, we said stay here until the green candle performed. As you can see, we had such a beautiful ride, and afterwards we have another beautiful pullback short trade on dollar yen. Dollar Swiss franc, pretty straightforward breakout short trade. Pound dollar, as you can see, price nicely went again today in the morning. This was afternoon, and let me show you what exactly the price was at this level. As soon as the price came back here and respected this level, and we said to guys, if the price gonna stay below this level, then we should be taking another short trade. As you can see from here to here, that's the journey we had it. We countered that profit from here. As you can see, this at the bottom, you can see the momentum was bearish. Here at this stage, as soon as the price broken, we announced all the rest of the pullbacks. You can see after the breakout, we have another two beautiful pullback short trade on pound dollar. Pound yen, pretty straightforward, beautiful after the breakout. As always, pullback short trade. Dollar CAD, we were watching in 4 hour again, beautiful breakout, long trade. This was the counter long trade, by the way. Aussie dollar, pretty straightforward. This one again as a counter short trade, watching in 4 hour. This one again, we already have breakout, and we announced another triangle pattern breakout, sideways market breakout. Beautiful long trade on dollar CAD, counter long trade. Euro USD, again, we were watching in 4 hour. Based on that, price nicely broke on. This was the counter short trade. Pound dollar, pretty straightforward. We already had this journey. And afterwards, as you see, the price nicely respected in 4 hour. We mentioned to guys, look for trade if the price is going to develop. You can see the price develop consolidation. As soon as the price broke on the previous recent high above the 200 EMA, we announced to take another long trade and another one on pullback. Beautiful long trade on pound dollar. Pound yen, pretty straightforward breakout, counter long trade. Again, we were watching in 4 hour and beautiful long trade. Dollar CAD, we already banked some profit, and afterwards, as soon as the price reversed, we mentioned to trader if we look for pullback, if we see the green candle, otherwise, very strong bearish momentum trend and momentum was developing it. And if you see the momentum develop bearish, we should be taking a short trade, which price nicely developed, as you can see here, breakout, and afterwards, breakout, another beautiful pullback short trade on dollar CAD. Kiwi dollar, pretty straightforward. You can see beautiful breakout. After the breakout, beautiful pullback, long trade. All right, guys, that's it. And if you would like to see all that analysis in real time, and if you would like to bank this type of profit every single day with alongside with our professional trader, or even if you don't have forex trading experience at all, we also provide forex coaching and training. Or if you are struggling in forex, you can join our platform and you can see all the trades and the analysis real time alongside with the live RD commentary support. Even you have the opportunity to speak to a professional trader in real time. Or even if you are experienced trader and would like to bank all that profit and pips every single day, most welcome to join our fast growing trader community. Once again, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening, and I'll see you tomorrow with another analysis. All the best.